In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. Then click on the icon of your app, tap on split screen, and then click on the other one, like Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!